A $10 gift card on Mistplay usually costs several thousand units, but the exact number changes depending on the gift card brand, your country, and current reward rates. That means there's no single fixed answer. By the end of this, you'll know how Mistplay pricing works, what affects the unit cost, and how to reach that $10 reward faster. Here's the direct answer. Open the Rewards tab inside Mistplay and check the exact exchange rate for your account. That's the only number that matters. Now, here's why. Mistplay doesn't use one universal conversion. A $10 Amazon gift card might cost one amount, while a $10 Google Play gift card could cost another. That happens because reward partners and regional pricing change. Your country affects this too. Someone in the US can see different gift card rates than someone in Canada, the UK, or India. That changes your target. Now, the bigger question. How long does it take? Mistplay units come from playtime, game progression, and loyalty levels. The fastest units usually come in the first few hours of a new game. After that, the earning speed often slows down. That's why some users hit their first $10 reward faster than others. It's not just about hours played. It's about efficiency. Here's the best strategy. First, sort games by highest reward rate. Second, install multiple boosted games instead of grinding one game too long. Third, switch once your unit bar starts filling slower. That keeps you in the highest paying phase. A lot of users make one mistake. They stay on one game for days because they think loyalty automatically pays more. Sometimes it does. But if the unit rate drops hard, rotating is usually faster. That's how you shorten the path to your first cash out. The practical way to measure it is simple. Check how many units you earn every 30 minutes. If that number drops, move on. Quick recap. There's no fixed Mistplay unit cost for a $10 gift card. The exact amount depends on region and gift card type. The fastest way there is rotating boosted games early. Practical next step. Open Mistplay right now, check your $10 reward options, and calculate how many units you're earning per hour. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Mistplay strategies.